Welcome back to our channel where we bring you all the latest tips and tricks for a healthier lifestyle. Today we have an incredibly exciting topic to dive into: how antioxidants can work wonders in healing your gut. So, if you're ready to boost your digestive health and enhance your overall well-being, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. Before we delve into the magical world of antioxidants, let's first understand why our gut health is so crucial. Did you know that our gut is home to trillions of bacteria, both beneficial and harmful? These bacteria greatly influence our digestion, immune system, and even our mental health. While some bacteria are excellent for digestion, others can lead to inflammation and digestive disorders. Now that we know how important gut health is, let's explore how antioxidants can help heal and restore balance to your gut. Antioxidants are remarkable compounds found in various foods, such as fruits, vegetables, nuts, and even dark chocolate. These compounds fight against harmful free radicals that cause oxidative stress, leading to inflammation and cell damage, something we definitely want to avoid for a healthy gut. So, which antioxidant-packed foods should you include in your daily diet? Let's go over some of the most powerful ones. Dark leafy greens such as spinach and kale are absolute gut-healing superheroes due to their high content of vitamins A, C, and E, along with minerals and fiber. Additionally, colorful berries like blueberries and raspberries are bursting with antioxidants, making them perfect allies for gut health. Did you know that some herbs and spices are filled to the brim with antioxidants and possess remarkable anti-inflammatory properties? Incorporating these into your cooking not only enhances the flavor but also boosts your gut health. Turmeric, known for its bright yellow hue, contains a compound called curcumin, a potent antioxidant with astonishing anti-inflammatory effects. Another gut-loving spice is ginger, which can help soothe an upset stomach and reduce inflammation. Sometimes incorporating antioxidant-rich foods into your diet might be challenging. That's where supplements come in handy. Antioxidant supplements like vitamin C or green tea extract can offer an extra boost to promote gut healing. However, always remember that supplements should never replace a well-rounded diet, so make sure to consult with your healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. Apart from the food we consume, certain lifestyle choices can also impact our gut health. Stress, lack of sleep, and insufficient physical activity can all contribute to gut imbalance. Managing stress through techniques like deep breathing, practicing mindfulness, and getting quality sleep are essential for maintaining a healthy gut. Regular exercise also stimulates bowel movements and supports the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. We've covered the incredible benefits of antioxidants for healing your gut and improving your overall well-being. Now it's time to put all this newfound knowledge to use. Remember, nourishing your gut involves embracing a combination of antioxidant-rich foods, incorporating healing spices, considering supplements when necessary, and making positive lifestyle choices. So let's start this gut-healing journey together and enjoy the incredible benefits along the way. Thank you so much for joining us today on this eye-opening exploration of how antioxidants can help heal your gut. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another compelling health topic. As always, stay tuned for more remarkable content to empower you on your journey to optimal health. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep thriving.